January, the Gulf of Mexico Fishery Management Council voted to send an a fishery management plan for aquaculture for federal waters in the Gulf of Mexico to NOAA and the Department of Commerce for review. Now that Gulf plan had a deadline of September 2nd or 3rd in terms of agency action. So even though our new administration had only been on the job for a couple of months, amongst all the things that they're looking at NOAA, from satellites to the Weather Service to ending overfishing, they were forced to look at aquaculture. This policy will address, as I said, the broad array of marine aquaculture issues facing NOAA and the rest of us. Regulation, science and research, sort of outreach and education, and international coordination. Those are the four components of what our program addresses in aquaculture. Within that policy and within those priorities outlined in the policy, we are a federal agency, and new technology has been developed for going further offshore. And it's one of the technologies, including coming on land with marine products and research systems, that we've been asked to look at. So the policy, because of this Gulf plan, the policy will have some principles or guidelines for aquaculture in federal waters. And the director of NOAA Fisheries, Jim Balsinger, has said that we will complete this policy in 6 months. So that was back last September. We're talking about March. This new policy is important because it may help drive the NOAA budget process to provide staffing, resources, competitive grant funds, give us the ability to work with USDA and states and others to be your partner in marine aquaculture. So that's why it's important. And that's why it's important, it will be important for your voices to be heard. I wouldn't wait till March. And there's this whole ocean policy development process that's going on in the administration as well, with listening sessions. So please write. Please let the administration know. Please let members of Congress know what you think about aquaculture. Please let me and my staff and my colleagues know where you think aquaculture should be going in this country.